and they'll break down, hey, what's good for what you're looking for. Like some things I don't like using anything with bleach in it because I've had traumatic experiences with bleach. So none of my products have
Mhm.
bleach in them. You know what I'm saying? So you can
Mhm.
basically build a rapport with them and just go through them. And with them, you can get an account with them where you can get invoiced and have a net 30 pay. So meaning you can buy your supplies and not have to pay them for like, whatever their terms are. Usually it's like net 15, net 30, and so forth. So that means you pay, later on down the road, but you can get your
Mhm.
supplies sooner. And that kind of helps with, cash flow and stuff like that. And then it also helps
Mhm.
in another area, which is probably above you right now, but you can use it in the future where if you have an account that you get and they ask you if you could supply their supplies, like for instance, paper products and stuff like that. If you had an account with, your local janitorial service, or there's another company online called Uline. You can also use Staples. Those are other companies that you can get accounts with. You can uh, get supplies and then pay later. So
Okay.
if you get accounts that want you to supply the paper products, you can do that, get the products or whatever, or order the products, bill the company, and then you don't have to pay them for, a certain number of days out. So that kind of doesn't mess up your cash flow, having to provide and pay for supplies beforehand before the client even pays you. So that kind of helps you out. So so the list is we started with Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart, then we went to Sam's Club, Lowe's, Home Depot, moved up to janitorial supply companies in our area, then online like Uline and Staples. And there's some others out there that you can kind of look online and kind of find. So that's where we got our supplies.